welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
of not being credible policeman. The House has also told Parliament that Mkhwanazi was wrongly promoted to acting commissioner and police minister.
I love you. Wirang. Kira I love you. Aga utlwa ke re wirang. Heban. Kanto wena ke ngai Foster. Yo.
Ena balance ya December ya hana shema o kopaniseng o ka re motho wa chiuku mo tshwantse ke thongmonya ka favorite pila ya banana
Wena, why are you late for your interview?
Manje wayangirasela.
Ungasahlali phansi so utholile umsebenzi. Awunale attitude shem.
Just like that.
Angisho ngiyakutshela ukuthi umtholile umsebenzi.
Ngikuzwile so manje ngiqala nini?
So uqalile wozala.
Okay. Next.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Daïla. Le monde part en couille. Non. J'ai du mal à imaginer ces trucs-là.
Kasongo yeye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh yeye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga.
Yeah, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Wabanna la go samkha batho ba dikoloi ke tseki di 40 ranger di wild track batho makhoa wabanna la bona go samkha level la dikoloi ba di crasha di 40 ranger di wild track rena re nyaka dikoloi ba crasha dikoloi level la ba ilo di crasha tsona tse le di bonang tse di o crashiwa dikoloi tse di o crashiwa tsotsotlhe ene ntho e shapo lebelela re nyaka dikoloi ba ilo di crasha banna mara wa itse mara le bona di tsena so ke di tsena go skaleng ba ilo di crasha Mamelodi mo reclam go skaleng se seholo mara news reporter
seswe sa plate tsa o tsetang ke ne ya makamba o bona go na motshedi mo opya mo mojosi mo
monate wa go nna mokhukhung a o fetso ja dizimba o tsa plastic o isutheletse mo mazengeng
Tombendala le accident angibonanga mayenza kaso iPolo neMercedes ishayisela ayisho ne Mercedes kodwa Mercedes enye green iPolo neMercedes eshayisela kodwa into engiyazi ukuthi iPolo iyo wrong iPolo wrong iyo eshayisela ya Mercedes. I know for a fact nginamanga input kabam.
At this time of the year, don't find yourself being that guy that is telling people there is still time to accomplish the goals that you've set for yourselves in 2025. No, there is no time. There is no time. Listen to us. We know ourselves. We know when we are defeated. And right now, we've lost. 2025 won, so let us enjoy the last few weeks of 2025 to ourselves without having to stress about a goal, a target, a dream, an ambition. We know you mean well trying to motivate us, but please do us the pleasure of giving up on us because we've already given up on ourselves. So you can join in, don't worry, because due to the foreseen circumstances called life, we couldn't accomplish the goals that we set for ourselves in 2025. But next year, 2026, I'm telling you, there's 12 untouched months in 2026, so we're going to focus on that. But for now, can we just enjoy the last remaining few weeks of 2025 without you trying to motivate us?
ene o ipotsisa gore ko sekolong ke di-exam tsa eng ga re ba botse gore ra tlhaloganya ke eng a ba re tshepe ka assessment
o mongwe jwala le motho o thuma di-disappearing message mara se flop
o mongwe jwala le wa WhatsApp GP o mongwe mang sendela di-good night text tse di forwardilweng
mara as long as o jola se flop
unless re tla nna ro nyobela
a ke flop
Signature 13. En ou sien so leser dat ons 13 monsar. Heaven. Signature 13. Yo, en ou so wa meno go leser dat ons 13 monsar. Kile buri jar 13. En har ou so wa meno ramang kam maud. Ou ka fistos. Ha! Como tshwere. Tate chauke. No komile ngwana man. Ngani bier. Hey, me no gaya every day. Only gaya every day. So nyem chai.
Go pala supporting business ya ka rekisa ditlhare tja o dia o ka ro hona for festive go hae. Wena wa kuma before o tswa and then ni dia o ka ro hona ka mo hae o steng. Sharp.
Uma filha tongi.
Tebogo uyamazi uNchapseng.
Anyambona.
Uyamazi.
Yeah.
Umazi kanjani?
Umazi ukukhuluma ngeFacebook.
Nihlanganiswa intoni kuFacebook?
Ukuzwana.
Okay. Chapseng? Now
As I was saying, the momentum. It was Makerrain, please come this side. How are you? Where's your brother, Timber? Where is Timber? I'm looking for him. Also, you're giving me the silent treatment now. Please, tell me where Timber is.
Here you go, ma'am. This will be $2.99, but for you, I can make it $99 if you can flip the bottle. Ooh.
There we go, my lady.
$2.99.
Ke mo brooding funeral phala. Mo se shanguva yabona. Brooding funeral phala. Ba re ke mo tsoro. Bana le special as a Black Friday. I give maybe wa ipona lo ena re mara. O ba re wa felela. Ino reka thoma ka grant. Brooding funeral phala mo soso.
Yeba. Yini manje lento iphethe?
I-Colgate awubona.
Wenzani nge-Colgate?
Ugeza ngayo amazinyo. Ucabangani? Or uyahuta kunamazinyo?
Geza ngayo amazinyo. Wena ngeke ulunge ejele yazi. Awazi i-Colgate yenzani?
Yenzani?
Tra. Ejele lezi zinto lezi mfethu. Apha imali ngazo. Abantu mabazosivakashela abasilethela imali. Imali ayingene ejele. Wena ugeza ngayo amazinyo ekasi. Ngeke ulunge ejele ngihlala ngikutshela. Thatha lento kugeza amazinyo. Ugeza amazinyo. Ekulunga ejele. Hayi.
Yabona le ntwana zanamhlanje.
Nya. Ma. Nyama. Nyama. Nya. Ma. Nya. Ma. Nyama. Wawa? Nyama. Nyama. Mpumita wana wewe rukete. Nyama.
Ramtheba.
Ah, sikithembile ra fruit.
Era fruity. Era ke ba. Ay, lo. We want to go to.
If I were to cheat on you, would you stay with me?
No. I will kill you and your girlfriend. I will get rid of both of you.
Maserot. Makeka, hape ke re tlabe ya tswalleya man. Eng tlabe ya tswalle? Eng? Wa itse ke rang hape khala green. A guta le mokekolo utwana le tsa bana man. O moholo man you bloody hell. Bye.
Imvula iyaqala man.
Uzovula tu.
Uzokhala ne? Imvula sizokhala. Vula. Uzokhala ne?
Who's your favorite sister?
Umili vula ke.
Who's your favorite sister?
Umili.
Who's your favorite sister?
Umili. Milima. Milima. Mili ngovule tu. Ngovule tu. Vula. Ish. Uzokhala ne mina. Ngeke sikhiye tu.
Jump. Come and catch it.
Ubaleke manje ukuthi ujumpa la.
Yabona shayela speed la ibona ngomfanzi. Yo, la vo. Fika phala. Libona. For the light light spirit ro mo tsa ngwana ka mo lefatsheng. O tlo ruga maoto the light vo. O bana hana o reka koloi the light vo. Ngwana ka ba re tlola se o se dirang ngwana ka tšhelete ya hao. Mavuso ke a eng?
Kona ke re ke nna fatshe. Sintsi letsatsi le tlhabe kona ke re ke nna fatshe ya tjoke bja marao mo fatshe. Lapeileng. Mara lena motho a le shile mo hayo a shia motho ne. Hape sale ke eme kwa ke eme line. Ba re di nurse hey what sale vat ke re ke tsena ka ma 2 and sale ke fitlile go ga 5 am. Nna le ona re tsena ga 2. Ke tlhoira paps me. Hey, mara lona motho a ka swa shem. Ko re ha shile lena a shia motho. A shia motho next. Ke tshwere ke tlala montshara otle a lantsha le shebonyana. Hai motho a sana bana man. Motho a sana bana wait. Wetsi ungcono ke titlhanye ke tinya ke le mokhukhu kwa ke lo titlhavela mokhukhu kwa ke nne ke motho a nna le 1 kwa a nna le 1 wetsi a nna le nosi wetsi keng a motho ana bana shem mo ai
if life was fair on a chelete tla mno jola ma
Tito Mbweni.
So wow.
Chris Brown.
Yeah?
Chris Brown, wena.
Are you tlilo di ntshang go tlase man? Are you go tlilo go. Are you go ke Google go tlase? Are you man? Go tlase. Ulla bona le go tlase. Ka mona yo wena ye. Aka para lo para. Mvejeli. Kompitais. Kan champe mo tsara mo ke fine. Awa nguza tsa fore ke to gatana lona o so le gwala bo bone. O le gwala. Tshwara tlhago o le gwala. O kisha go se mora. Aksana mpya mo. A wena go nyaka mpya mo. A go nyaka mpya mo. Mambo ke fete go protect. Go zaisa sira. Go protect ka lo gwala. O le gwala le wena. And disappoint. Go buditse. Marisa. Did not play by it on dinner. I got to gatana mo thomo lo bya. Abana pampi. Engasha mo. Ako ke be ke lo mbuto so ya after bilala. Shabi gwala. Ke fella SPA. Hafundele. Ke ja ke tla ya. Oh, like something. Vimba jo. Vimba jo la mona ba tsowe. Tuzalang.
Michael Wayne.
Ke mang Michael Wayne? Ke mang Michael Wayne?
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
No, I can't.
Mon. Raldra de fawe. Wala.
Hello, Sky. Switch on. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. My voice is controlling Sky. authority.